Journey of thousand meals begin with one step. Good morning, respected GTO sir and my friends. Today I choose a topic that is India-Bangladesh relations. Now let's talk about the history of India and Bangladesh. India and Bangladesh got independence in 1971 and India got independence in 1947. Thereafter there was two Pakistan created. One was East Pakistan and one was West Pakistan. So in 1971 when India launched a war with Pakistan to save the Bengali Muslim and Bengalis Hindu, Bangladesh Hindu. So that time India launched a war in 3rd December 1971, and in 16 December 1971, basically the Pakistani forces surrender with 93 Pakistani chiefs surrender with 93,000 soldiers, and from that time there was two team was there. One was Mukti Bahini and Indian Army. So both were fighting against the Pakistan, and that time the Bangladesh born on 16 December 1971. So this was the history of Bangladesh. Now let's talk about the trade partner. Earlier our trade between India and Bangladesh was less, but thereafter when the free trade agreement, South Asian Association of Free Trade Agreement, was signed between the countries. So that time our the trade increases. For example, duty free, quota free. So these the product of the Bangladeshi product are selling into India. For example, the Surajkund Mela, where Surajkund International Fair, where the Bangladeshi product is getting sold, and also there are other fairs where Bangladeshi shops are allowed to sell their product. So these are the things are improving. Our relations started improving, and currently we are doing 16 billion US dollar every year trade with Bangladesh. And also Bangladesh is the largest trading partner of India in the South Asian countries. Now let's talk about the geography part. In the geography, we can see that the Bangladesh is located in the east of India, which is very important strategic location. For example, the Bay of Bengal, and also we can say that the Bangladesh is sharing the border with 4096 kilometer, 4096 kilometers. So almost the longest border with India. Also we can say that we have the connectivity service between each other. For example, there is 54 rivers which is connecting India and Bangladesh. Also we can say that these were the things, and in the connectivity we can say that both the countries are running the trains between each other. For example, there is a Maitri Express which running from the Kolkata to Dhaka, and from there the tourists go into their places and coming into their our places also. So this is also visa free sometimes. These are the countries. So now let's talk about, and these was the thread. Now let's talk about the defense part. In the defense, we can say that the Milan and Sampriti exercise conducted between both the countries every year, and both the countries are doing it very perfectly. And also we can say that instead of that, there is also some negative relations we have. For example, we know that One Road One Belt initiative launched by the China, and Bangladesh is a country who joined that. So that is also a measure of concern for India. Also we can say the second thing is that Bangladesh is taking the submarine recipient of the submarine from the China. So that is also a wrong thing. Also we can say that there is a border dispute between India and Bangladesh. There are some border dispute, land dispute. So that is also measure of concern between both the countries. So I believe that if both the countries wanted to increase their relations, so we should improve the relations. For example, there is a India longest cruise launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi from the Banaras Prayagraj, and from there it passes through the Ganga river, and it's gone to the Bangladesh, and also from there it's gone into the Brahmaputra river, and its destination is in Assam. So almost these type of cruise initiatives built the relations between both the countries, and also both the countries are developing countries, so both countries can help each other. Also we can say that cricket is a game which is also a linking between both the countries. Like both the countries are very similar to each other. There if they also have the South Asian past, so it means that their face and also the similarity is very much to each other. So I believe that in the future maintaining good relation is important for both the countries. I think India is doing its great to maintain good relation with Bangladesh. I think more effort needed from the Bangladesh side. That's all. Thank you everyone.